Hello guys, welcome back to X-Tech. Nowadays there are so many choices when you're trying to buy a projector, which can be daunting. So when you're buying a projector, these are the three things you should look for in a projector. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tech related content. So my first projector, which was Alston SY, was really good and was bright, but when it came to picture quality, it was just not good enough because it was just native 720p resolution projector. So I wanted a projector which was for better picture quality. So I got this ET30 native 1080p projector for really good price, and this one was native 1080p projector, but it was missing that brightness, and even in a very dark room it was just lacking that lamp power. What you want to look in a budget projector if you want a good bright image with that sharp picture quality is how much is that brightness and what is the native picture resolution. So the native picture quality should be over 1080p or 1080p, and the brightness should be well over 6000 lumens. So then I came across this on akey 7 Max projector, which had 7500 lumens, which means brighter image, and it was native 1080p projector, so the picture will be sharp. These are the two main things you should look out for when you're buying a projector. And the third thing you would want in a projector is to see if it supports AirPlay, so you're not worried about connecting your projector to your PC or a laptop. AirPlay is the best way to watch movies and YouTube content directly from your smartphone without worrying about HDMI cable. So these are the three things you should look out for when you're buying a projector. Definitely don't go with the ones with low lumens. Need to see the ones with over 6000 lumens, and always look for the ones with native 1080p. If the native resolution is not mentioned, please stay away from these projectors, or simply ask the seller for the physical resolution of the projector. So that was pretty much it guys. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye, see you next time.